What's the meaning of apothecary? Apothecary. Apothecary.
Apothecary. Apothecary. An apothecary is a person who prepares and sells medicines and drugs. The term is derived from the Latin word apotheca, which means a storehouse or a warehouse. In the past, apothecaries were responsible for compounding drugs and preparing medications for patients. They also provided medical advice and treatment for common ailments. Today, the role of apothecaries has largely been replaced by pharmacists who dispense prescription medications from licensed pharmacies. Nevertheless, the historical significance and legacy of apothecaries have left an indelible mark on the history of medicine and healthcare.